There's a lot of information to go through. NBC teams are still working to get through some of that information. And those documents, they include photos, court records. Inside those files are images of Epstein with high-profile notable figures, including Bill Clinton, Mick Jagger, Richard Branson, Michael Jackson, and convicted sex offender Ghislaine Maxwell. The images do not include context, dates, or prove any criminal activity. And the Justice Department says some of the pictures and documents contain redactions to protect victims' identities. In a letter to Congress, Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche says that there were more than 1,200 names identified as survivors of Epstein or their relatives, but not everything was released, which violates the Epstein Transparency Act that Congress passed last month. That did not sit well with lawmakers on both sides of the aisle.
The release has been disappointing from the initial read of it. But, you know, I reserve judgment until we go through all of the release.
We also want to know why the government failed in so many years. These crimes went on for decades, through 5 different presidential administrations before Epstein was finally put in jail.
The White House says by releasing these documents, the Trump administration has done more for the survivors of Epstein than Democrats ever have. There are more files expected to be released within the coming weeks. Maxwell is serving a 20-year prison term for conspiring to sex traffic minors.